In this section, we are going to cover a practical application of what we've learned so far.
Okay.
What we want to do is add administrative screens to an existing website. These screens will allow us to manage products and news for the site.
Okay, so I see what you're saying. You're going to take everything that you've taught us over the past few VTMs and use them on an actual website so that we can update things, and such as tables, news, your product listing, pictures, whatever, and so it'll be easier to access.
That's right. We're going to enhance a website with dynamic content.
I gotcha. Okay.
The site that we're going to be working on is the Stones River logging site,
Mm-hmm.
the website created in Web Design 1.
Okay.
Our goal is to take the products and news sections and set them up so that all of the products and news are stored within a MySQL database.
Okay.
We will then create administrative screens that will allow someone to enter products by simply going to a web page.
All right, so how come we can't just do this straight through HTML?
Well, I mean, you can.
Right.
We could go over to the product section. We could load this page up in our HTML editor and copy the necessary tables to make a new product.
Right.
Now, our goal is to make it so that an HTML editor is not required.
Okay.
Make a screen where someone can load in a web page and simply add or edit products.
I see. So it'd just be a lot more convenient just to get in there and type it in instead of having to go through the code to do it.
Exactly.
I gotcha.
Now, let's take a look at what these screens will look like when we're done.
Okay.
I'm going to jump over to the news section. You can see we have various items. Let's take a look at what the admin screen would look like for this.
Okay.
So I will jump over to adminnews.php. And this is the goal. What we want is we want a page that will show all of the products we have, give links to them so that we can edit them, as well as showing information about them and giving the ability to delete.
I gotcha. Okay.
And, of course, we're also going to need the ability to add a new item.
Right.
Let's take a look at how this will work. We simply click on Add New Item, and we are presented with a form which will allow us to enter our news item.
I see.
So let's go ahead and see how this works. Let's give a news header saying, I don't know, rabid weasels. And the headline can be rabid weasels. Let me get my keys to work for me here. Or we can just type.
Yeah, that works too.
Escape from zoo.
Cool.
And the news, you can just see some more text, and so on.
Right.
Now, we're also going to give ourselves the ability to have this product, or the news section or product section, be featured. And by featured, we mean something that will show on the front page.
Okay.
Anything that is not featured means you'll have to go to the general products or news section in order to see it.
Oh, okay, I see.
Finally, we will give ourselves the ability to mark a product or news item as active, thereby allowing us to deactivate an item without actually having to delete it.
I see. So, for instance, if you're in the product section and you run out of that particular, well, in this case, log, and you're out of stock on it, you could just simply go in there, click, the active button, and so that you won't have to delete it every time, so people won't keep ordering it when you don't have it in stock.
Exactly.
I gotcha.
So let's hit submit on this, and you can see we have added the news item. Now let's take a look at what this would look like after we enhance the actual display pages. We will cover how to go into the actual news page itself and set it up so that it is pulling the data from the database.
I see.
So you can see our new item appears on the screen.
I gotcha.
In the final version, it might be a good idea to run these in reverse order so the new items are on the top.
I gotcha.
And we'll be showing how to do all of these things in the following videos.
Okay, cool.
So that really covers what our goal is for this section. So in the next video, let's go ahead and get started.
Okie dokie.